Okay, going to have a look at 2011, June. There's quite a few questions here. So starting off with question 2, the simultaneous equation 1 there. You can see. So question 2, x add 2y add 3z equals 2, call that equation 1. X minus y add 6z equals 9, call that equation 2. And 2x minus y add 3z equals 13, call that equation 3. I would make the y's the same. So I'm going to take this first one here and double it. So it's 2x add 4y add 6z equals 4. Take the next one and double it. 2x minus 2y add 12z equals 18. And the last one just stays as it is. Label these equations 4, 5 and 6. And then pick any pair. I will go for equation 4 and equation 5. And writing them out. 2x add 4y add 6z equals 4. 2x minus 2y add 12z equals 18. Subtract them to eliminate the 2x's. So that gives you 6x in the middle minus 6z equals, subtracting these, minus 14. I would be inclined to divide by 2 just because I can to cancel it down. Call that equation 7. Pick another pair. I'll go for 5 and 6, but it doesn't matter which pair you go for. Equation 5, just writing it out. Writing out equation 6, and I want to eliminate the x's. Subtracting eliminates the x's, that's gone. Minus 2y plus y is minus 1y. 12z minus 3 is 9z. 18 take away 13 is 5. Call this equation 8. And I like to write those side by side to see what I'm going to do next. So that's equation 7 and equation 8. I'm going to make the z's the same. So I will multiply this one by 3 to get it up to 9z. So it's 9y minus 9z equals minus 21. This one didn't change. And now I'm going to add to eliminate the z's. So 9y add plus becomes minus. 9y take away y. Minus 9z plus 9z disappears. 21 add 5 is minus 16. So y equals minus 2. Sub it into one of the earlier equations. I'll just sub it into equation 7 and see it there. So it's 3 times y, 3 times minus 2. Take away 3z equals minus 7. So bring that across becomes 3z. Bring that across becomes minus 6 plus 7. So z is a third. And put that straight into one of the first equations. I see equation 3 there at the top, so I will just use it. 2x, don't know x, minus y, minus 2 becomes plus 2, plus 3 times z, 3 times a third is 1, and it equals 13. So that's 3, bring it across comes 10, 2x equals 10, so x equals 5. Now the next one I'm going to do out of that paper is question 6. The floor of a rectangular greenhouse. So again I'm going to draw out. And you're told it is x times y. You're told the area is 16.5. So x times y. And the area is 16.5. So let's, I get this refocused again. So x times y equals 16.5. You're also told from the question the perimeter of that equals 17. The perimeter is when you add up all the sides. So it's 2x add 2y. So 2x add 2y equals 17. It's simultaneous equations. And so rewrite one as x equals or y equals. In this case here, I'm going to rewrite this as x equals. And now I'm going to sub that x into here. So it's 2 times your new x plus 2y equals 17. 2 times that is 33 over y plus 2y equals 17. Multiply everything by y to get rid of it. So 33, to get rid of the fraction, sorry, plus 2y squared equals 17y. Putting everything on one side. 2y squared minus 17y plus 33 equals 0. And thankfully that factorizes. because you get minus 6 minus 11 gives you minus 17. So y equals 11 over 2, 5.5. Y equals 3. Don't forget to find what x is. So up the top, x is 16.5 over 3. So x is, 16.5 over y. So 16.5, when the y is 5.5, x is 3. And over here, x is 16.5 over 3, x is 5.5. So basically you find the length and the breadth there. So the length is 3 and the breadth is 5.5. It doesn't matter which way around you put those. Okay, the final question I've got to look at in this paper is question 8b. Now, if I just scroll up 8b, it says find the range of values that 2x squared plus k add 2x minus k equals 0 has 2 real roots. So 2 real roots. So that's us onto the discriminant again. B squared minus 4ac for real roots is bigger than 0. Now your a is in front of the x squared, your b is in front of the x, and your c is on its own. B squared minus 4ac. So squaring out the bracket, square the first, double the product, square the last. Now be careful here. Minus 8 times minus k is plus 8k greater than 0. Tidying that up. K squared, add 12k, add 4 greater than 0. That doesn't factorise, so we must use the formula. A is 1, B is 12, C is 4. So k equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So k is minus 12 plus or minus 12 squared is 144 minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So it's minus 12 plus or minus the square root of 128 over 2 times a, which is 2. Minus 12 root 128 goes into 64 and 2. Just cancel this down a bit. Root 64 is an ordinary 8. And divide both the ordinary numbers by 2. So it's minus 12 plus or minus 4 minus 12 over 2 is minus 6 plus or minus 4 over 2. Now, putting it in the picture is normal. And minus 6 plus 4 root 2. Now let's go back up and see our inequality. Just before we started solving it, is a positive and we want above 0. So we want above 0. So it's this side. So k is bigger than minus 6, add 4 root 2. And it's this side. K is less than minus 6 minus 4 root 2.